that artist is named Blue. Blue is a pseudonym for an Italian artist who conceals his identity. Um, this is becoming more and more of a thing for street artists, um, like Banksy. Like who's Banksy? And we'll get to him later. But Blue is an artist that I've been watching for a while, and he's been making art since about 1999. Um, okay, so we're gonna kind of switch gears into pop art, specifically people like Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein, and a few more. So, what is pop art? And I studied this in school myself, but I found this video recently that it really kind of summed it up, I think, pretty well. So I'm going to leave you with this video. Watch this, and then on Wednesday we'll pick this up again, and I'll give you the rest of the pop art lecture. Okay?